Hello students, how are you? Very good. I hope all of you fine. Are you doing yesterday given homework children? Are you practicing worksheet problems? Once please check the answers with my answers. Today I am going to explain solutions for yesterday worksheet problems. Here I will say some solutions. By using the same method, you can solve the remaining. Okay, children. First of all, look at the board clearly. First problem, what I given yesterday. Evaluate sin 30 plus cos 30 plus sin 150 plus cos 150. So whenever you do this problem, first of all, I already said you remember two things. Signs of trigonometric ratios table and values of trigonometric ratios for standard angles. And so please remember these two concepts, then only you can easily do the given problems. Okay children, have to start the solution. Okay, see. First of all, separately we write the values. Sin 30. What is the value of sin 30? See the board. 1 by 2. Very good. Cos 30. Cos 30 is nothing but sin 60. Because sin and cos are complementary angles, trigonometric angles. So sin 61 root 3 by 2 is nothing but cos 30. Next, sin 150. Sin 150, second angle. Sin 150 how to write? Sin 90 plus 60. So, sin 90 changes cos 60. But 90 plus theta which quadrant? Second quadrant. Second quadrant sin value will be same positive only. Now cos 60 value how much children? Cos 60 value is nothing but 1 by 2. So this is sin 150 value 1 by 2. Next to simplify, you write first point, second, third, fourth point. Fourth point means fourth trigonometric ratio cos 150. Again cos 150 how to write? Cos 90 plus 60. Okay. So cos 90 how to write? Sin 60. 90 plus theta. Second quadrant cos will be minus sin 60 value root 3 by 2. Okay children. Now we have sin 30 value, cos 30 value, sin 150, cos 150. Now add all together. Now therefore sin 30 plus cos 30 plus sin 150 plus cos 150 is equal to, substitute the values, 1 by 2 cos 30 root 3 by 2 sin 150 by 2 cos 150 minus root 3 by 2. So what is the denominator is common here, all the values 2 common, observing. So 2 common, that means LCM is 2. So 1 plus root 3 plus 1 minus root 3. So plus root 3 minus root 3, what happened? 0. 1 plus 1 how much? 2. So 2 by 2 how much children? 1. Understood? Find the LCM of the denominators. You got 2. Now add all the denominator. 1 plus root 3 plus 1 minus root 3. 1 plus 1 2. Plus root 3 minus root 3, what happened? 0. That's a 2 by 2 1. This is the value for sin 30 plus cos 30 plus sin 150 plus cos 150. This total value called how much children? 1. Understood? Okay. Next, we go for next problem. So, next problem. Evaluate sin 120 plus cos 120 degrees. So, see all of you, look at the board. Sin 120 I will write 90 plus 30 degrees plus cos 120 outer line 90 plus 30 degrees. Are visible to clearly? Okay, next. Sin 90 means outer line cos 30. Come to sin. In second quadrant, sin will be changed as plus only without changing. Sin only plus sin. That means no need to write positive signature. Okay, children, positive sign no need. As cos 90 outer line sin 30 here. Cos 90 plus 30 equal to sin theta. But come to sin 90 plus 30 second quadrant cos will be negative minus. Okay. Now values cos 30 value what's your value? Root 3 by 2. Very good. Minus sin 30 value what's your value? 1 by 2. Okay. Now simplify. Denominator is 2. So numerator root 3 minus 1. So this is the value for sin 120 plus cos 120 how much? Root 3 minus 1 by 2. Now we have to keep in the brackets. Understood? So third problem. What is the third problem? 1 minus sin minus 30 degrees whole by 1 plus sin minus 30 degrees. In this problem, I can remember trigonometry ratio for negative angles and trigonometry ratios table. Okay, remember. So what we know? We know that. Look, children, all of you. We know that what we know? Sin minus theta is equal to what? Minus of sin theta. Already we learned in the previous class. Okay. Now substitute the value here. 1 minus sin minus 30 degrees whole by 1 plus sin minus 30 degrees is equal to 1 minus sin minus 30 how to write? Minus of sin 30. Minus of sin 30 by 1 plus sin minus theta. Minus of sin theta. That means theta plus here 30 is there. Now minus into minus what's over there? Plus. So 1 plus sin 30 by 1 minus sin 30. Don't cancel together. They are also different. 1 plus sin 30 value 1 by 2. 1 minus sin 30 value 1 by 2. Now 1 plus 1 by 2 how much? Do you know the value? 1 plus 1 by 2, 2 1 2, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 by 1 minus half, full minus half only, 3 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. Now simplify, denominator 2 cancel, 3 by 1 means 3. So that's why 1 minus sin minus 30 by 1 plus sin minus 30 value how much you got it? 3. This is the answer for third question. Okay children? So next we have sin 270 values. So I will write here sin 270. How to write 270? You can write 180 plus 90 or otherwise how to write sin 270 degrees plus 0 degrees. Okay, sin 270 means I already said to you sin 90 and 270 means sin name will be changed as cos 0 degrees. So 270 plus 0 comes on which quadrant? More than 270. More than 270 means fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant sin value will be what? Negative minus cos 0. Cos 0 value how much? 1. So minus 1. So this is value for sin 270 degrees. Okay children, understood? So next problem, cos 390 value. Cos 390 how to write children? Cos 360 plus 30. 360 plus 30 means complete rotation completed. But 30 degrees is there. So cos 30 only. Now cos 30 value how much children? root 3 by 2. So cos 390 is equal to root 3 by 2. Understood? So today we learn solution for the worksheet problems. I explained here 5 questions. We can do same and remaining questions. Okay, children, understand today class? So for this more videos, you can subscribe the given channel. So updates will be automatically notification come to you. Okay, children. Thank you.